So we're spending 3 months in Thailand, traveling pretty light. So I just thought I'd tell you we're moving accommodation tomorrow, so packing up. And what we've brought is all old stuff. There's no need to bring flash luggage with you. It's going to get thrown around and damaged. And we've had some of this one we've had for probably 15 years. So what we've done is combined quite a light. So some of the carry-on luggage, like July do, are really good, but they weigh about 2 kilos on their own, whereas things like this are really light. So I think it's good to have one wheeling piece of luggage, which this is, and holds quite a lot. And then have a couple of rucksacks that you can carry in a multi-purpose. So this one is really like a computer bag, but you can get quite a lot of clothes in it, and it's got all sorts of pockets inside, which is handy. So basically those are the 3 bags, and each one we can put about 7 kilos worth of stuff in them, and 7 kilos is what you can carry on. So we never put stuff in the plane, in the checked in luggage if we can avoid it. And most of the budget airlines now are doing an extra. You can take an extra bag on, 7 kilos for about $10 or something. And that's what we've done a couple of times. So those are the only 3 bags. But within those bags, what is really useful to have are packing cells like these. And you can get them in all different sizes. So all our clothes, so that's mine and that's Yvette's, pack up into there. But we've also brought just a general bag to carry shopping and things, which, you know, these sponge up to nothing. That's our bag which carries our train gear, which is our cooking stove, and then these little sort of kind of waterproof bags which we put shoes in, whatever. So that's basically all. In another video I showed you what we've brought. That's our total sort of technology storage bag. And if you're going off grid, or you know, you want to detox from tech, then you don't need one of those, but most people will need something like that, which stores pretty well. Because we're running, it's handy to pick up race bags like this, and we get t-shirts for free. The other thing is you don't need to bring a lot of clothes, because you can buy it here very cheaply. Now we're coming out to run, and we've brought one pair of, you know, nice shoes, flip-flops, and 2 pairs of running shoes. And these were very old ones, and the intention was to donate them at the end, but just after 3 or 4 weeks of running in Asia, and they're pretty much destroyed. So bring your good running shoes if you want. Maybe trail shoes would be good depending on where you're running, but save your good running shoes for the race or whatever, because they will get trashed, especially in green season when it rains a lot. But that's it. So you don't really need to bring a lot of stuff. You can buy stuff cheaply here. It's much better to travel light, and to not have to hang around at baggage carousels and things like that, or get lost luggage, which does happen from time to time. What could you not fit into 3 bags for 2 people for 3 months? Let me know.